Hello, what's going on everyone? And I want to show you guys how you can add your website to that of the Monetag right here. So if you go to monetag.com, open that up, and then you want to log into the website. However, I want you to take a look at all of the features that we have in here. So now you can make money from your website, your social media traffic, from your email, your page traffic, and then even Telegram mini apps right here, okay, which is one of the things that I actually love so much about them. So let's log in first of all and see how we can add our website right in here. So I want to log in. All right, so as you can see, I'm actually logged into Monetag right here. And what you want to do to add a website is to go to where it says sites up here. If you take a look up here, you're going to see sites. So I want to click on that and then it opens up. Okay, so right here, I do have one of my websites already in here and then it's verified. But I want to add a new one. So we want to do that together right now. To do that, take a look here where we'll have add site. Hit on it and then it's going to open up this form for you. And what you basically want to do is to go ahead, read this rule right here, and then you enter your website URL within this particular box. So this is the website I want to add in there. I want to open that up, and this is the particular website I want to add. Okay, just for us to really test this, I want to copy the URL from here. And if I go back in here, I want to go ahead and paste that within this place. All right, so https://www.familytree.ng, and then you want to go ahead and hit on where it says add website right here. So you want to go ahead and enter your own website right here, because they're actually going to give us a snippet that we will need to use to verify that we own this particular website. So I want to hit on where it says add site. And once you hit on add site, it's going to take you to the next step right here, and it says add your website URL, which we have actually added right here. Down here, take a look at that. You see that we've actually added that, and it's actually not yet verified, but we're going to go through the verification right now together. So to verify that, all we need to do is to download the code that they have actually given us right here, or this particular file. You need to hit on where it says download, and you can actually upload this to the root of your website. Look at it right here. And if you don't know what a root directory is, you can hover on this and they will tell you what a root directory is. So they say root directory is a folder containing all files and subfolders of your website. Usually the index file is located right there. Okay, so that's just basically what that is. And I'm going to just go ahead and download this by hitting on the download button right here, and we can actually go ahead and download that. I want to keep this file. All right, so that has been downloaded, and we should go ahead and then upload this. Okay, so after we do that, after we do the uploading, we can come back and hit on where it says apply right here, and that will basically be the last step to be able to add your website to their site. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and upload that particular file to my root directory, and then I'll come back to you guys. All right guys, so I'm logged into the root directory of the website, and I want to go to my file manager, and that's just basically going to open on a new tab. And then I want to go to the public_HTML, and I basically want to make sure that I have it in this particular section, right? So what do we want to do? Let me hit on upload right here. And I want to go to where I downloaded that particular file to, which I think is actually found on my desktop. So SW, and right here. Okay, so I'm going to use this and upload that, and that has been uploaded. So it's a JS file. All right, so we have that right now. We can now go back to that of the Monetag right here, and we can go ahead and hit on where it says verify right here. So let's hit on that. All right, so I think we'll have a check mark that says this is a good check mark right here. So now you can actually add first zone. That means that you can start creating your ad zones and begin to add the advertisement to your website, all right, by hitting on this ad zone right here. All right, so if you take a look up, you are going to see that we have a green check right here, and it says that it is actually verified. So that means that it's really correct right now, right? All right, so I think I will stop the video right here. But this is just basically how you can actually verify your website. So if we go back to sites right here, you see that we now have this new one added to our website, and it's also verified. Okay, you can also go ahead and even begin to create the ad zone. If you want to do that, you can hit on this ad zone right here, and then we can create that. But I think it should be a video that we'll do on a later time. We don't have to do that right now, so let's do this at a later time, guys. So, and I hope that you guys kind of got something from the video, and if you actually really got something, and you should feel free to maybe like or subscribe if you want to, anyhow. So all right guys, so I think I will just basically see you guys in the next one. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.